All right, example A for special right triangles asks us to find the length of the missing side. And actually, it's a little bit of a funny question because there's really two missing sides. We're left with side B and side C that both need to be discovered. But with our 30, 60, 90 triangle, it's pretty easy anyway. Recall that if we have a 30, 60, 90, then our hypotenuse is 2 times the length of the short side, and the medium side is the length of the short side times the square root of 3. And that ratio always holds. So that means that in this case, where we know the short side is 5, that the long side is just 2 times 5. So C would be 2 times 5, or 10 units. And then the medium side, B, would just be square root of 3 times the short side, or 5 square roots of 3. So really pretty simple anyway. So we can definitely, I think, handle getting two sides then if we absolutely need to. Let's take a look at example B. Example B, again, very similar, says find the length of the missing side. The difference here is that this time we're given the length of the long side, and we need to find the other two. Well, the easiest conversion is between the long side and the short side because the short side is just half of the long one. So let's sketch that in real quick again. We know that the long side is 2x, where the short side is x, and the medium side is x roots of 3. So if our long side is 20, that means it's 2 times the short side. So the short side is half of 20, or 10. And then the medium side is the square root of 3 times the short side, or 10 square roots of 3. So again, pretty easy. And then finally for the last one says we have a rectangle with sides that are 4 down here, and 4 roots of 3 across here. And we're looking for the length of the diagonal down in this direction down here, marked with the D. Well, what's nice about that is that since this is a rectangle, and we know the opposite sides are the same, we can draw in a triangle, say over here, and know that this side over here must be 4. Well, since D then makes up the hypotenuse of a 30, 60, 90 triangle, all we need to do is figure out what twice the short side is. And if the short side is 4, the long side then is 2 times 4, or 8 units. So the length of the diagonal is 8 units. Easy, easy. All done. That's all there is.